coffee. I don't give a damn whether or not you're pissed off with me. A little bit of sugar and a little bit of cream is all I need to make my day seem a little bit better, and that's okay. Why don't you get the fuck out of my way? I do whatever I want. As the day goes on, maybe I'll twist up a blunt and write another song, a really good rhythm and a fat sack of weed, a guitar and some bunnies. It's all I really need to make me feel better, and that's okay. Why don't you pull up a chair and stay? Wake up, fire it up, get up, come on, let's get fucked up. Get up, get a cup, let's get fucked up. Come on, let's fire it up, fire it up, fire it up, fire it up, fire it up. Get up, come on, let's get fucked up. Why don't we all just get up and get up and fire it up? I like to hit the gravity bomb for meditation. My fans love to sing all my songs. To make my vacations a little bit of money and a little bit of free will come still better, so it may seem. So I'm just gonna get high and sit here and play. Life is all good, and that's okay. I smoke a lot of pot, so roll another one here. I could never have thought in my dreams of all I did a bowl to the left and a bomb to the right. Cannabis sativa is gonna burn the night. Dad makes brothers and sisters, guys, cows, misses and misters. Wake up, fire it up, get a cup, come on, babe, let's get fucked up. Get up, get a cup, fire it up, let's all get fucked up. Yeah, fire it up, fire it up, fire it up, get fucked up. Come on, let's get fucked up. I want to wake up, get fucked up, so I give a fuck. I want to wake up, fire it up, so I give a fuck, yeah. Fire it up, fire it up, fire it up, raise the gun so you can just give a fuck up. I like donuts and pot with my coffee. I don't give a damn whether or not you're pissed off at me. Wake up, wake up, wake up, fire it up, get fucked up, pour some more in my cup. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, come on, let's all just get fucked up.